Hi. So I'm going to be walking through how I use Grading Helper to generate ACTFL aligned rubrics for world languages, and walk through an example of how it can grade assignments and generate rubrics super fast. So I'll just head up here, and I've already created a new class, and now I'm just going to create a presentational writing assignment. So I'll just give it a name, and I can select whichever level I would like for the assignment, and this will be the target level that I want my students to reach. So I'll just click Novice Mid for this one. Okay, and now my assignment's been created, and I have all my students here. I'm just going to click Upload and Grade. And then I will select a few of their images. Okay, we have 10 students. And then it will just work on organizing the files, extracting the student's name, and then assigning a grade to each of them. Okay, so they're starting to get generated. I'm just going to go ahead, because I'm impatient, and look at one of them as an example. And so, yeah, you can see here we have the student's assignment on the left-hand side, and on the right-hand side, we have this ACTFL aligned rubric. And basically, it will say exactly which part of the rubric is matched, give some feedback, and then include specific examples from the text where the student could have done better. So then finally explain for each of those examples how the student can improve. So for this one, for example, it will explain to them, make sure to use the correct possessive pronouns or articles, and separate each family member for commas for clarity. And so if we wanted to look at this rubric, what it actually looks like, I'll just go over to the Instructions tab. And you see we can configure exactly what each rubric section says. So I can edit this if I would like to, and then just save it. And then I can configure the number of points that I want for each section. So if I wanted, to adjust that, that's always possible. And then once I'm satisfied with all the changes I make, I can just click this regrade all button or upload more student work. And yeah, that's what I've been working on. So yeah, let me know what you think, and hopefully this saves time with generating these rubrics and making these kind of high quality pieces of feedback really easy to generate.